everyone, this is Doris from the Art and Nature Center at the Peabody Essex Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own little stuffed animal critter that is inspired by the 7 animals that hibernate in New England. And I'm going to make a black bear. The first step is to fill your sock with your stuffing here. So I like to flip my sock open like I was about to put it on and then put the stuffing in instead, and then close the sock up over the stuffing. Let's add some more stuffing. You're really just stuffing it however much you like. This sock that I'm using this time around is a taller sock. For each of these, it was just a little ankle sock, so they're not as big as the bear is going to be, which I think makes sense because bears are bigger. And I'm letting the ankle of the sock stay folded inside because I'm going to tuck it in and then sew it shut when I'm done stuffing. So now I have this end here that's open. That's what I'm going to use the needle and thread for. I'm going to use my hair tie now to make the head of the bear, which I think I want to be up here. So I'm really just like when I make a ponytail, wrapping it around a couple times so that the head is separate from the body. So now I have a head and a body. Alright, now I am going to cut out my details with my black felt. So I'm going to cut a strip off to make my ears. I want them to be the same size. So I'm going to fold this rectangle in half, cut it in half so it's 2 pieces, and then I'm going to cut the ears at the same time out of this one piece here. Now I like to fold the bottom like this. Basically I'm folding each half over to the middle, and then the ears have this little fold in them. I've had my hot glue gun has been heating up over here, so it's ready to use. Always be very careful of your fingers when you're hot gluing. And then I'm gonna press my ear onto my sock. I'm gonna fold this one, put my glue on, and press this ear on so it matches the other side. And now while it's drying, I'm going to cut out 4 legs. And I want them all to be the same size too, so I'm going to fold this in half and then each of these in half again, so I get evenly sized legs. In half again, make sure I'm folding it the same way as the other one. Alright, so now I have 4 pieces of felt that I want to curve the bottoms of to make the legs of my bear. So I'm stacking them all together as best I can, and I'm going to cut a curve along the bottom here. And to do that, I'm really just cutting off each corner. There we go. 4 little paws for my bear. So I'm going to glue these on as well. I'm going to turn my bear over to his belly and place the legs where I would like them, just to see how it looks. Let's see, what does that look like? Put them like that, or be a little further away like that. Alright, now I'm going to put glue on each of my legs, and since I liked the way they were like that, I'm just going to press my bear down on top of them. Whoop! And that way my hands never touch the glue, so I can't accidentally burn myself. Alright, there is my bear, ready to hibernate the months away this winter. Some other animals that hibernate are groundhogs, jumping mice, chipmunks, and raccoons. So we've got bats, skunks, bears, chipmunks, raccoons, and jumping mice, and groundhogs. That's all 7 animals that hibernate in New England. So feel free to make your own little friend to help you hibernate this winter, but not really, just to help you sleep. And now I'm going to add some googly eyes. I think I want to use the big ones for the bear. So if you don't have googly eyes, you could also use buttons, or you could not give them eyes since they're supposed to be sleepy anyways. In this case, since the eyes are so small, it's easier to put the glue right onto the sock rather than onto the eye. Oh my goodness, look at that. What a sweet little face. And now my skunk and my bat. if you ever get a string of glue like that, that's tricky to get off with just your fingers, you can cut it off. There we go. Oh, so silly. Remember to share your projects with us using hashtag #PemPod or hashtag PBDEssex, and enjoy your sleepy little creatures all winter long.